Hello everyone, I am Pooja Gupta and we will continue with the next set of letters for the cursive writing. For those of you who haven't checked out the previous video, the link can be found in the description box. Let us continue with the next letter M. For M, put your pencil on the third line, make a U-shaped turn, slightly U-shaped, and then move the pencil towards the upper side in a little slanting manner. Then from top, move your pencil towards the downside and then upper side and then downside in a slanting manner and a little curve. Let us some have practice. Now our cursive M is ready. Now the next alphabet is N. For N also similar U-shaped curve, slightly U-shaped curve, move pencil towards the upper side, then down side in a slanting way and then upper side and a little U-shaped curve like this. Let us have some practice. Now the next alphabet is O. O is simple, make an oval shaped and from the top slightly make a pattern like this. Let us have some practice of O. Now the next letter is P. For P, move your pencil, put your pencil first towards the upper side of second line and move towards it downside and making a U-shaped curve, move towards the upper side and then make a little curve like this. Cursive P is ready. Let us have some practice more. Now the next alphabet is Q. For Q, make an oval shaped O and then make a pattern like this. This is our cursive Q. Let us have some practice like this. Now the next alphabet is R. For R, put your pencil little up from the second line, move it towards the down side and then upper side having a U shaped and move like this and like this. Let us have some practice. This is our cursive R. There is only a little difference between P and R. In P, we don't make slanting line, but in R, we make slanting line, this one. Now, for today, these letters are enough. We will proceed more in the next video. If you like my video, then please click on the like button and subscribe. The link can be shared in the description box. Thank you.